Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share your favorite photos with friends or your community on Discord using your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps for sending photo messages on Discord Mobile. Whether you're sharing a meme, a memory, or just something cool you found, it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, decide where you want to send your photo. This could be a direct message with a friend, a group DM, or any server channel you're part of. Tap on the chat or channel where you want your photo to appear. Now, look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. Tap on it. This is your gateway to sharing all sorts of media. After you tap the plus icon, a menu will pop up with several options. Choose Gallery to browse photos stored on your phone, or if you want to snap something in the moment, select Camera to take a new picture right there. You can also pick Files if your image is saved elsewhere on your device. Once you've found the photo you want to share, tap on it to select it. Before you send, you have the option to add a caption or a comment. Maybe a funny remark, an emoji, or just a little context for your friends. When you're happy with your selection and any message you've added, look for the Send button, usually shaped like a paper airplane, and tap it. That's it. Your photo is on its way. With these simple steps, you can easily send photos to anyone on Discord Mobile, whether you're chatting one-on-one or sharing with a whole server. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.